Hi there, welcome. My name is Ellen Carey, and along with my husband Kyle, we are the creators and founders of Wet Nose and Bows. Thank you so much for visiting our website, and I want to tell you a little bit about us and who we are and what's coming and everything that we have to look forward to. First, I want to give credit where credit is due to my amazing husband who handles everything that has to do with everything pretty much, from shipping to our website to all our video that we have to do, all our lives, all our groups, everything that brings me to you on this website is because of my amazing husband Kyle. So it's because of all that Wet Nose and Bows has grown from where we started 3 years ago when I was just looking for something to put on a porch. And from there, it just blossomed. And I decided at that point to take it for myself to a different level. I wanted to create pieces of art. I wanted to create pieces that captured an audience and took them to gardens with fairies hiding under hydrangeas, to whimsical pieces at Christmas that you could literally escape to rustic, woodsy farmhouse pieces that make you feel like you should be wearing fuzzy socks and a warm blanket. That's what I set out to create when I make a piece. So that being said, here's what we've got coming moving forward. In a couple weeks, we will be videotaping a tutorial on how to make a dough bowl arrangement. This will be available for purchase, and there will be a group set up in Facebook for everybody to go to and watch the video. You need to stay connected to the website or my Facebook pages so you know exactly the dates of when that's coming. And we have for my teaching group, and right now it's for my teaching group only. We have our big retreat in January, which we are very excited about. And last but not least, what everybody has been waiting for is our new teaching group to be opening. That teaching group will be opening the end of January. And I will be coming back and doing a video to discuss everything that goes on in my teaching group. But in brief, my teaching group is a very extensive teaching group. It's not I make a wreath and you copy what I do. I teach you from day one materials. I teach you basically what I do is I take you through my journey. We want people that are looking to become artists, not people that are looking to duplicate or replicate. We are looking for people that want to become masters at their craft and really take it to the next level. So again, there will be a video available introducing the launching of our new group, which will be in January of 2022. So again, the information will be posted here on the website. It will be posted on both of my Facebook pages, Wet Nose and Bows, which is a group you need to join, and then Wet Nose and Bows, which is a business page. You can also find my work on Instagram, and you can see my full collection both on, Instagram and Pinterest. So we are very excited to be bringing all of this to the table. It's kind of been a long time coming. We've been working to bring all this together for you, and we have a lot to look forward to in 2022. So thank you for taking the time to hang out with me for a few minutes, and we're going to see you soon. Thank you. Bye.